Mains 2026 Phase 1, which was held on 21st January 2026. Now we are going to discuss session 1, that is morning session JEE Mains 2026 Chemistry full paper, followed by Physics full paper, followed by Maths full paper. Dear students, let us see the questions. Yes, section 1, multiple choice questions. This section contains 20 multiple choice questions. All of you know that. Each question has 4 choices, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, out of which only one will be correct. If you choose correct answer, you are going to get 4 marks. If you choose wrong answer, you are going to lose -1 mark. Let us see the section 1, chemistry. Question 1, consider the following reaction. Dear students, here it is given as compound A, which is we don't know, taken and did the hydrogenolysis using platinum, which gives, this is benzene fused with cyclohexane, right? If the same compound undergoes hot alkaline K-4 oxidation followed by acid hydrolysis, gives this dicarboxylic acid, that is phthalic acid, then what is the compound A? Then A will be, dear students, see, the reduction, that is hydrogenolysis, can be done for this. Here there is no double bond, so this is not the correct answer, right? Here there is no aromatic ring, but the answer is having this aromatic ring, so this is also not correct, so this is also not correct, and remaining is A, where hydrogen and platinum hydrogenolysis reduces or adds hydrogen to this double bond to give this cyclohexane ring. And if the same compound or the compound A, this A compound upon hydroxidation using hot alkaline K-4 solution followed by acid hydrolysis, gives phthalic acid, where this is oxidized at this position, this is benzylic carbon is going to form acid, this side also carboxylic acid. So the option 1 A is correct option, students, right? So question number 2, in sulfur estimation 0.7 grams of an organic compound gives 1 gram of barium sulfate by Carrier's method. What is the percentage of sulfur in compound? Dear students, it can be solved by like this, where you will get the answer is 1. The option 19.61 is correct option, students. Option 1 is correct option, students. Next, which of the following is the correct order with respect to the property indicated? See, this is chlorine is greater than fluorine, ionization energy. So in a periodic table, what happens? Ionization energy, right? Moving from top to down, ionization energy. So here it is given increases. Is it so? No. So whereas basic nature of this potassium oxide, sodium oxide and alumina, so alumina is just neutral compound, right? K2O is basic nature. So the option 2 is correct option, students. Whereas metallic characters, so potassium, sodium, aluminum, magnesium. As you see, magnesium is a metal at room temperature. Alumina, yes, of course. Sodium, it is solid, but it is not pure metal like magnesium. So none of these, no. So the option 2 is correct option, students. First, ionization energy due to small size of fluorine, so this is the answer. And potassium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum metallic character, it decreases from left to right across the period and increases from top to bottom. Next, question number 4, given below are 2 statements. Statement 1, arginine and tryptophan are essential amino acids. Glycine does not have any chiral carbon. In the light of the above statements, which is the correct option? Yes, as all of you know, glycine is not going to have chiral center. This is glycine, so this is amino acid where it is not going to have chiral center. This is direct amino acid, alpha amino acid. So this is glycine. So is there any chiral center? Here there are two hydrogens, so there is no chiral center. And as we know that arginine and tryptophan are essential amino acids. Yes, so the both statements are correct. Option 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 5. Observe the following reaction sequence. Yes, P upon ammonolysis gives Q. This upon bromine KOH gives R. Which of the following is the correct structure for P, Q, R? So what is happening? This is acid to when acid is treated with ammonia and heated, it is going to give amide. Amide upon bromine and KOH Hoffman bromamide rearrangement gives amine. Let us see the options. So acid is converted into amide upon reaction with ammonia, and this amide undergoes rearrangement to give this aniline. Benzoic acid is converted into aniline. So what is the option? Yes, carboxylic acid is converted into this amide, and this upon reaction with bromine and KOH gives aniline. Next, question number 6. In the following reaction, MnO4 2 minus upon reaction in presence of H plus gives manganate ion undergoes disproportionation in acidic medium to form, yes, MnO2 and MnO4 minus. How? Let us see. So MnO4 2 minus disproportionate in acidic solution to gives MnO4 minus and MnO2. So this is the H plus, 4 H pluses are taken to give this is the balanced equation. Let us take question number 7. 80 ml of an organic compound is mixed with 264 ml oxygen and ignited. It gives 224 ml of gaseous mixture at NTP. After passing through KOH, 60 ml of gas remains. The organic compound is. So how to calculate? See, this is CX and HY. So this is the equation where upon calculation the option 2 is going to be the correct option, students. What is the answer? C2H2. It is nothing but acetylene, right? So the gas is acetylene. Question number 8. Consider the following reaction. Calcium upon reaction with 2 moles of hydrochloric acid gives calcium chloride plus hydrogen. We have 14 grams of calcium reacts with excess of HCl. Choose the incorrect option. Dear students, please pay the attention. Here it is asked incorrect option. So mass of calcium chloride produced is 38.85. No, mole of hydrogen produced is 0.35 mole. Volume of hydrogen produced at STP is 7.84 liters. Mass of calcium chloride produced is 3.885 grams. So incorrect option is this, students. Option 4 is correct option, students. The solution is given here. Yes, it is 14 by 40 is 0.35 mole. Yes, it is given. And calcium chloride, it is 0.35. Yes, so these are all correct options, but they asked for incorrect option. So the incorrect option is option 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 9. C6H12O3 gives positive iodoform test on hydrolysis with dilute acid. The hydrolysis product form gives Tollens and iodoform test both. Find structure of C6H12O3. What is the structure? So it is going to give, if this is the compound, what is the compound? So here it is gives iodoform test. Yes, hydroxy is there, methoxy, yes, ketone is there, dilute acid gives Tollens and iodoform test, right? So in presence of this, it is going to give all these tests. So the option 1 is going to be correct option, students, right? Next, question number 10. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, all the pairs of molecules lead oxide, lead dioxide, tin oxide, tin dioxide and germanium oxide, germanium dioxide contain amphoteric oxides. Statement 2, AlCl3, BH3, beryllium hydride, that is H2, and NO2 all have incomplete octet. So what is the statement? These are the two statements. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct option. So we know that SNO or tin oxide, tin O2, and lead oxide and lead O2 are amphoteric oxides. Yes, germanium O2 is acidic, germanium oxide is distinctly acidic. So statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. Option number 4 is correct option, students. Next, which of the following resonating structure is the most stable? Right, so this is allylic carbocation. Allylic carbocation is more stable, and here it is withdrawing group, nitro group is withdrawing, and allylic position also is there. And what about this compound 2? Yes, compound 2 in between, here it is withdrawing, so obviously it moves to this, so it is not going to stay in practice. And having 2 carbocations, no, and here O2, no, this is also not going to be correct. So option 1 is correct option, student, and it is more stable because carbocation, allylic carbocations is more stable, allylic, benzylic and tertiary. So what is the most stable carbocation? So this is option number 1 is correct option, student. Consider the following statements. Propanol and propanone are functional isomers. Ethoxyethane and methoxypropanol metamers. But2-ene shows optical isomerism. But2-ene, oh great. But1-ene and but2-ene are functional isomers. Pentane and 2,2-dimethyl-propane are chain isomers. So what are the correct statements? Yes. So A, B, E only. What are the A, B, E? Yes. So propanol and propanone are functional isomers, right? So this is correct. Ethoxyethane and methoxypropane are metamers. This is also correct. But1-ene and but2-ene are functional isomers. This is not correct, students. But2-ene is not going to isomerism. Pentane and 2,2-dimethyl-propane are chain isomers. No. So but2-ene doesn't show optical isomerism as it contains plane of symmetry and has no chiral center. Also but1-ene and but2-ene are position isomers, right? So it is not going to have this or chain isomerism, right? Question number 13. Given below are 2 statements. Statement 1. When electric discharge is put on hydrogen, it emits discrete frequency in electromagnetic spectrum. Statement 2. Frequency of helium plus ion of second line of Balmer series is equal to first line of Lyman series. So what about this? Yes, both the statements are correct option, students. That is, both statement 1 and 2 are correct, students. Next, which of the following compound is paramagnetic in nature? So paramagnetic, what should be there? Yes, so let us take this option 3, nickel tetrachloride 2 minus. So how the electrons are? Yes, here see, 2 electrons are vacant. So option 3, 3d6, it is nickel tetrachloride 2 minus, it is 3d8, but what is this? It is sp3. So option 3 is correct option, students. Next, observe the following reaction sequence. What is happening? C4H8. So 4 to the 8. So there is alkene. It is alkene. Upon HCl reaction, so chlorination, halogenation is taking place, and this upon ammonia reaction, yes, it is giving amine, and it is optically active. Obviously it is within the molecule, it is not outside, means it is not terminal. And this upon reaction with sodium nitrate plus HCl, this amine is going to give nitrosation, and it is C4H9 and amine, right? Which of the following is correct structure of A, B and C? So A, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is terminal, no. So inside, yes. So inside A, B, so B is wrong, C, no. when B is wrong, it is not going to have this. So external, no. So here internal, right? So internal double bond, this upon chlorination it is going to give this 2-chloro, and this 2-chloro is going to give amine, and it is optically active, right? So this is the sequence: chlorine, amine, and nitrosation it is going to give HCl. It is amine to alcohol it is going to give. So the option 4 is correct option, students, right? Any question? Yes. Let us move to section B. Dear students, this section is going to have 5 questions which has to be written in a numerical value. The answers are numerical value answers. This section contains 5 numerical based questions. The answer to each question should be rounded off to the nearest integer for 2 chemical reactions A and B. Let us see the questions. So question number 21. For 2 chemical reactions A and B, if the difference between their activation energy is 20 kilojoules at 300 K, that is Rydberg constant is R equal to 8.3 joules per kilo per mole, and determine ln K2 by K1. Answer is 8. So just you have to enter 8. You will get here in your computer screen, you will get a keyboard like calculator like option, where with that option you can enter the numbers, numerical values. So let us write 8. So the answer is 8, students. Next, for each reaction, yes, so the solution is given here. You can go through the solutions also. Let us take next question. It is very, very important, students. So concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid, what happens? Nitration takes place. So here you are going to get nitration. So benzene, this is HNO3, and right, nitro compound, nitration is going to take place. And tin HCl, yes, nitro is going to convert it into amine, that is aniline. This is aniline, NH2. What is going to happen? Aniline upon acetylation, acetanilide, right? So acetic anhydride, you are going to get NH, right? NHOAC means NHCOCS3, acetic anhydride. It is going to attack onto this acetic anhydride. So again they are doing what? Yes, nitration. So now it is going to add nitration at what position? Yes, if it is nitro compound, it should attack at meta. So, but it is acetanilide. Now what is the position? It is going to attack? Yes, it is para position. So now it is going to attack onto para position of this nitro compound, and now upon acid hydrolysis it is going to give, this is the compound. What you are going to get? It is NH2 this acetyl group is going to be removed. Now you will get NH2, and here NO2. It is not going to be disturbed. So what? How to do? C6CHNO. So write like this, CHNO. Percentage of nitrogen in compound E, right? So they are asking percentage of nitrogen. How to calculate? See, 6 carbons are there. How many hydrogens are there? 2 plus 6, 6 hydrogens are there. How many nitrogens are there? 2 are there. 2, what are they? Oxygens. So let us calculate the total molecular weight. 72 plus C, percentage of nitrogen. Before that, what is the molecular weight? It is totally, it is going to be 138. How 138? See, 72 plus 6 plus 28 plus 32. So how much it is going to give? This is 2 to 8, 10, 50, 58, 2, 8, 10, 50, 60, 60 plus 78. So 138, right? So total molecular weight is 138. So now how to calculate? So 14 into 2 into 100 divided by 138 going to give 20%, right? So this is what is the product? Yes, nitroaniline, para-nitroaniline. So the option is, answer you have to write is 20. No need to write percentage, just enter 20. Yes, 2020. Yes students, next question number 23. 1 gram of AB2 is dissolved in 50 gram solvent such that delta TF is equal to 0.689. When 1 gram AB is dissolved in 50 grams of same solvent, delta TF is 1.176. Find molar mass of AB2, Kf equal to 5K kilograms per mole. AB2 and AB are non-electrolyte. Report to nearest integer. The answer is 145. So enter 145, where you will get this answer like this. Let A and B are atomic weight of A and B respectively. Once you go through this equation and solution, you will get the answer as 145, right? So this is the calculation given here. Please go through the calculation step by step. Yes, question number 24. Out of the following, how many compounds have tetrahedral geometry? Yes, so here how many compounds they have given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 compounds have given, and just write down the geometry of all these compounds. So this NH4 plus tetrahedral, so 1, it is xenon tetrafluoride, it is octahedral, no need. Nickel tetrachloride 2 minus, yes, it is going to have tetrahedral structure. Platinum tetrachloride, no. Copper, no. BF3 trigonal planar, and nickel carbonyl compound, that is tetracarbonyl compound, it is going to have 3. So the total number is 3. Just enter 3 in your answer sheet, right? Next, yes students, so as you know, all these questions are based on memory. So some of the questions are missed. We will get all the answers and questions when NTA releases the question paper. Yes students, let us see question paper of physics, JEE Mains 2026, phase 1, which was held on 21st January 2026 morning session. So let us see physics questions. As I said, section 1 is going to have 20 questions, where all these 20 questions are multiple choice questions, out of which you have to choose any one, that is 1, 2, 3 or 4, where if you choose wrong answer, you are going to lose 1 minus 1 mark. If you choose correct answer, you are going to get plus 4 marks. Let us see the questions. Yes, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. So what is the correct option? So for question, a rod of mass m and length L is attached to 2 ideal strings. Find tension in left string just after right string is cut. So the correct option for this question is option number 2 is mg by 4 is correct option students. So this is the solution. Next, question number 2. Which logic gate is given in the figure? Yes, this is NAND gate. NAND gate. Option number 3 is correct option students. Next, question number 3. Find dimensions of A by B if P plus AT square by B plus 1 by 2 rho V square equal to constant, where P equal to pressure, rho equal to density, V equal to speed. So what is the dimensions? Yes, option number 2 is correct option students. So this is the solution. Next, find the heat produced in external circuit AB in 1 minute. Question number 4, option 1 is correct option students. So as per Kirchhoff's law, yes, you will get the answer. Next, question number 5. An alpha particle having kinetic energy 7.7 million electronic volts is approaching fixed gold nucleus, that is atomic number is 79. Find distance of closest approach. Option number 1, 1.72 nanometers is correct option, students. So this is the solution. Next, question number 6. An air-filled capacitor of capacitance C is filled with dielectric K equal to 3 of width D by 3, where D is separation between plates. The new capacitance is 4. 9 by 7 by C is correct option, students. Next, question number 7. Find the moment of inertia of system formed using two identical rods about the given axis of rotation as shown. Yes, students, the option is 1. Next, question number 8. If electric field of EM wave is given by 60 sin 3 into 10 to the power 14 t plus sin 12 into 10 to the power 14 t at x equal to 0 falls on a photosensitive material having work function 2.8 electronic volts. Find the maximum kinetic energy, that is million electronic volts of ejected electrons. Option 2, 2.16 electron volts is correct option, students. Next, find volume flow rate in the Venturi meter given below, in which water is flowing. Cross section area at A and B is A and A by A equal to 2.4, A equal to root 3 meter square, P equal to 1000 kilograms per meter cube. So the option for this question is answer 1, that is 1 is correct option, students. The solution is given here. Please go through the solutions. You will get the 1. Yes. Question number 10. An ideal solenoid is kept with its axis vertical. Current I0 is flowing in the solenoid. A charge Q is thrown downward inside the solenoid. Acceleration of the charge particle is a then. So option 2, A is equal to G is a correct option, students. Next, question number 11. Wave propagates whose electric field is given by E equal to 69 sin. Yes. So find the direction of magnetic field. Option 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 12. Two rods of equal length of 60 centimeters each are joined together end to end. Coefficient of linear expansions of the rods are 24 into 10 to the power of minus 6 C minus 1 and 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 5 C minus 1. Their temperatures are same and equal to 30 degrees centigrades, which is increased to 100 degrees centigrades. Find final length of the combination in centimeters. So option 3, 120.1512 is correct option, students. How? So this is the calculation. L1 plus L2 equal to 60, 3.6 into 10 minus 5 into 70. So this is simple calculation. We are going to get 120.1512. Next, question number 13, that is 13. Find change in internal energy of gas if its temperature changes by 10 K. Number of moles of gas is 10. Specific heat at constant pressure of the gas is 7 calories per mole and R gas constant equal to 2 calories per K. So what is the answer? Option number 1, 500 calories is correct option, students. Next, so the solution is given here. Next, question number 14. Two mechanical wave on strings of equal length tension having linear mass density. Find the ratio of time taken for a wave pulse to travel from one end to the other in both strings. Ignore gravity. What is the answer? Option 2 is correct option, students. 1 by root 2 is correct option, students. How? So this is the way you will get the answer, 1 by root 2. Next, Next, question number 15. A curve is given between potential energy of a particle and its position on x-axis. So given tan theta equal to 1, tan T2 to theta 2 equal to 3, tan theta 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. If FAB force acting on the particle during A to B, similarly FBC, FCD and FDE are the forces during B to C, C to D and D to E respectively. Arrange magnitudes of these forces in decreasing order. So the option 2 is correct option, students. Right? This is how you can solve this problem. Next, question number 16. Find out work done in moving a 2 micro C. Choose from A to B. So the correct option is 34.3 microjoules. So this is the answer, 34.3. Next. Yes, students, all these questions are based on memory. So some of the questions were not found. So let us see section B of physics. JEE means 2021, 2026, January 21st, session 1. Yes, physics, section B, numerical value type based questions. Yes, as I said, these questions you are supposed to, you must write the number, numerical number. How to write? You will get a small calculator rate like window. We are using that window. You can enter the number, numerical number. Let us see the questions. So these questions, dear students, you must remember that these questions, yes, whatever the answer you write, if it is correct, you are going to get plus 4 marks. If it is wrong answer, no need to worry. You are not going to lose any marks. So please answer all these questions. Try to answer all these questions. A satellite is revolving around a planet in orbit radius of 1.5 r. Additional minimum energy required to transfer the satellite to new orbit radius of 3 r is meter, and m or mass of satellite and planet, g mm by s, r. Then x is, what is the answer? Answer is 6. Enter 6. Next. Next, question number 22. There are two springs of spring constant K equal to 20 plus 0.2 nanometers and K2 equal to 30 plus or minus 0.3 nanometers. If they are connected in parallel, then percentage error in equivalent spring constant of combination is, yes, answer is 1%. How to calculate? Yes, it is given here. Next, question number 23. In a YDSE setup, a slab of width T is inserted in front of one of slit. The interference pattern shifts by 0.2 centimeters on the screen. If the refractive index of slab is 1.5, then T is n micrometers, screen distance 50 centimeters and slit separation 1 millimeter, then Newton is. So what is the answer? Answer 8 is correct option, students. Next, question number 24. A particle of mass 1 kg initially resting at origin starts moving under the influence of a force F equal to 40. Yes, it is given if the speed of the particle at t equal to 1 is s root alpha, then value of alpha is 2. Yes, students. Next, question number 25. Focal length of objective lens and eyepiece lens are 1.25 centimeters and 5 centimeters, and tube length is 26 centimeters. Find magnification of compound microscope in normal adjustment. This is very simple question. Yes, what is the answer? 104. Answer is 104. So how to calculate this? Yes, m equal to, as we know, that L by f0 into D by fe, 26 by 1.25 into 25 by 5. You are going to get 104. Yes students, let us see mathematics of JEE Mains 2026 phase 1, which was held on 21st January 2026 morning session. Let us see mathematics question. Yes students, section A, as I said, this section is going to have 20 multiple choice questions, out of which you are going to choose any one option, out of which 4 choices. So if you choose right answer, you are going to get plus 4 marks. However, if you choose wrong answer, you are going to lose minus 1 mark. So be careful students. So let us see the questions. Choose the correct answer. Yes, question number 1, the value of cosec 10 degree is, yes, so the answer 3 is correct option students, that is 4. Next, question number 2. Yes, option 1 is correct option students. Next, question number 3. Option 2 is the correct option students. So the solutions are given here. Please go through the solutions. I am not reading, so please go through the solutions. Yes, question number 4, the value of, yes, 7 by 3. Option 2 is correct option students. Question number 5, option 3 is correct option students. Question number 6, option 4 is correct option students. Question number 7, option 1 is correct option students. Question number 8, option 2 is correct option students. Question number 9, option 1 is correct option students. Yes students, options are solutions are given here. Please go through the solutions if you want details. Yes students, question number 10, answer 1 is correct option students, that is 18. You are going to get the answer, 3x minus y equal to 18. Yes students, next, question number 11. Yes, option 3 is correct option students. Question number 12, answer 2 is correct option students. Question number 13, option number 1 is correct option students. Question number 14, option 2 is correct option students. Question number 15, option 2 is correct option students. Question number 16, option 4 is correct option students. Question number 17, option 4 is correct option students. So these are all the solutions given here. Please go through the solutions. Yes students, as I said, all these questions are based on memory, so some of the questions are missing. Don't worry, you will get full questions when NTA releases the question paper. Yes, let us see section B. As I said, this section is numerical value type questions where you have to enter the number as an answer. So there is no options, or there will be no options given. So the logic of this question or section is, even if you enter wrong answer, you are not going to lose any marks. If you enter the correct answer, you are going to get plus 4 marks. Yes, this section contains 5 numerical based questions. The answer to each question should be rounded off to the nearest integer, and the correct answer you are going to get plus 4 marks. If you do enter wrong answer, you are going to lose no marks. So please don't leave these questions blank. Try to answer all these questions. So question number 21 option, the answer is 145. Enter as 145. So what is the answer and how to get this 145? Solution is given here. Please go through the solutions. Yes students, the sum of roots of the equation. Yes, so what is the answer? Answer is 4. So this is how you are going to get 4. Next, question number 23. If a equal to, right? So the answer is 28. Question number 23, the answer is 28. Next. Yes students, this is how this question paper completes. So dear students, in this session we have covered JEE Mains 2026 21st January morning session phase 1, right students? So dear students, we have covered chemistry, physics and mathematics. I request all the students, please subscribe my channel Venus Academy if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and thumb button. Dear students, thank you students, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Venus Academy, and we will meet again very soon with afternoon session paper, that is phase 1 afternoon session question paper of JEE Main 2026. Till then, bye, sayonara, arigato gozaimasu, bye.